Okay, welcome to week 5 of our college math class. I am feeling better. I am caught up on grading. I was caught up on grading at least 2 days ago. I'll need to look again now. Um, Happy 4th of July to everyone. This week you should be aimed on finishing up Unit 3 on measurement. Please make sure you're using that formula sheet from the course, whether you've got it open in another tab or you print it or whatever, just so you're comfortable with it by the time you get to the test. This is also a good time to start using it because geometry is our next section and a ton of those formulas are on there as well. I think the trickiest stuff in this unit, the measurement unit, is the things on significant digits. What you need to remember is that a 0 is not significant. No, let me take that back. Everything except a 0 is always significant, and zeros are only significant when we kind of note it. I don't know if you've ever been to like a weigh station and you've seen it weighs a truck, trucks in tons. So it's got, digits for the pounds and then blank, blank, blank pounds. So if it weighs it in pounds, it weighs it in thousands of pounds. It doesn't matter if it's, up to 46,000 or down to 45,000. It doesn't matter if it's 45,230, whatever. We just care like how big is it to the nearest thousand. That's the idea of significant digits is we've got those zeros at the end that we're not really measuring. We don't really care about. So the only way a 0 can be significant is if we mark it so. We use a little overline for that in this class. It's a 0 in the middle of a bunch of digits, okay, like 503 meters. That 0 is significant because we measured the 500 and the 3, like that 0 is just a placeholder. Or if it's at the end of a decimal number, like after the other digits, like 340, 100,000, so 0.00340. If we're writing down that last 0, it must be significant because otherwise we wouldn't have needed to write it down. Anyway, if that's confusing, I've got the table in our announcement as well, but if that's confusing, doesn't make sense, when you get to that, use that help me solve this, view an example, and if it's not happening, just shoot me an email. I'm going to be working on catching up on grading over the 4th of July week here. Certainly, if you have a big trip planned or whatever, and you can't quite get Unit 3 done by the 8th when it's due, get it done, once you're back from your vacation. So starting that next week. And if you have any issues or trouble, just reach out. Thanks, everyone, and I hope you have a great 4th of July.